All right, good morning, boys and girls. I hope everybody's doing well. The weather outside's a little gloomy, so today is a great day to curl up to a nice book or to get your math done or whatever you need to finish up. Today's the day to do it, right? And guys, we're getting to the end. I can't believe it. Today is 5-21-20. We're going to work on word problems today. The bottom of your page, it says, here, I can solve 1 and 2-step word problems using the 4 operations. Okay, so I want you to discuss with the person sitting next to you or even just to yourself, what are the 4 operations? I'm going to give you a minute. Okay, the 4 operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So throughout this entire paper, you're going to either add, subtract, multiply, or divide. Okay, so let's look at number 1. Number 1 says, Tiny the elephant eats a lot of food during the busy weekends at the zoo. Tiny, he's a hungry guy. He's got to grow, right? He's got to get that protein in him. One Saturday, Tiny ate 152 pounds of food. On Sunday, he ate 12 more pounds of food than he did on Saturday. So let's look back up here, guys. He ate 152 on Saturday. He ate 12 more on Sunday. Okay. How many pounds of food did Tiny eat that weekend? Now, on the first problem, I'm going to go through it with you guys. That's right, Miss Sydney. If you're watching this, I'm going to tell you the answer. That's right. I'm going to tell you the answer. Okay, let's make sure I'm on black today. There we go. Okay, so like I said, third graders, it says here 152 pounds of food on Saturday, 12 more on Sunday. Okay, so to figure out how many pounds he ate on Sunday, because it doesn't actually tell us, right? It doesn't say exactly how many pounds he ate on Sunday, so we have to figure that out. And in order to do so, we have to do 152 plus what? What am I going to add? If you said 12, great job, plus 12. I'm going to go ahead and do it over here. 152 plus 12 equals. Okay, let's do this out loud. 2 plus 2 is 4. 5 plus 1 is 6. And then bring our 1 down. 164. Good. Now, 164 is how many pounds he ate on one day, third graders? If you said Sunday, you are correct. 164 pounds on Sunday. Okay. Now, are we done? No, we've only just begun. Because now it says, how many pounds of food did Tiny eat that weekend? Okay, so how many on Saturday, guys? 152. How many on Sunday? Again, 164. So what are we going to do with those two numbers? I'm going to go ahead and write it down while you discuss it. What are we going to do with them? We're going to add them. Okay, good. Now I'm going to line it up properly over here. Okay. And again, if you guys need to grab like a scratch piece of paper to do this, that's totally fine. Oops. Oh, that's fine. I can do the 164 plus 152 equals. 4 plus 2 is? If you said 6, good. 6 plus 5 is? 11. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 316 what? Pounds. Make sure you guys are labeling it LBS, pounds. Good. Okay, so the first one's done for you. Now it's up to you guys to do the other 3. So on this one, I'm going to read them to you, but again, I'm not going to tell you the answers, okay? So on the next one, it says, a movie theater sold 679 tickets to the Lego movie. Of those, 482 were children's tickets. The rest were adult tickets. How many fewer adult ticketers were sold than children's tickets? Okay. Then, let's look at the next one. Mr. Golding has 22 students in his class. Today, 2 students were absent. Mr. Golding puts, I think it's supposed to be the students that were into, or maybe, because this sentence doesn't make sense, guys. Mr. Golding puts that the students that are there into 4 groups. So, I printed this off, guys, and I don't like that sentence. So I would maybe say, Mr. Golding put the rest of the students into 4 equal groups, right? Okay, that makes more sense. Anyway, how many students are in each group? Okay, so again, your order of or you're going to do 4 different operations, either subtraction, addition, multiplication, or division. Okay. Okay, let's look at the last one. Riley does a card trick. She puts 16 cards into 4 groups. Then she gives 1 group of cards to her friend. How many cards does Riley have left? One more time. Riley does a card trick. She puts 16 cards into 4 equal groups. Then she gives 1 group of cards to her friend. How many cards does Riley have left? All right. So there's your math lesson for the day. If you guys need any help, please let me know or let your parents know. I would be happy to Zoom with you and work through these if you need to. Remember, after today's math lesson, make sure that you guys are hopping on Prodigy. I'm only having a few kiddos that are doing it, so make sure you hop on Prodigy and get those assignments completed. And I will be seeing you guys soon. Goodbye!